Hello friends, welcome to Math School. Today we are going to learn basic division. If you know the basic division, you can easily know how to do long division. So let's take first example, 8 divided by 2. In this example, you have a total of 8 and you want to divide into 2 equal groups. So 8 is the dividend and 2 is divisor. So what is dividend means? Dividend means the number that we are dividing up. And what is divisor means? Divisor means the number that we are dividing by. This divisor tells us how many groups we will be dividing our big amount into. Suppose there are 8 lollipops and 2 kids are there, and I want to distribute these 8 lollipops among 2 kids, then each kid will have 4 lollipops equally. So that means when 8 is divided by 2, it will come as 4. It's that simple. But with the help of picture, we can solve this problem easily. But if only numbers are given, then how to solve such type of problem? So you can see here we have used this symbol. So this is division symbol. I write the example again here, 8 divided by 2. Here 8 is multiple of 2. When we multiply that number by 2, we get 8 and that number is 4, means 2 times 4 equals 8. So 8 is multiple of 2, means we can divide this 8 in 2 groups equally. So as we know, 2 times 4 is 8, so 8 divided by 2 equals 4. When given examples are very simple or dividend is multiple of divisor, then we can solve that problem by using this division symbol. But if the examples are little bit tricky or dividend is not multiple of divisor, that time we use another type of division symbol which is like this. Now we try to solve this example by using this division symbol. Let's see how it works. So 8 divided by 2. So I write division symbol here. There are 3 areas which are very important. First one is here. Mostly the biggest number goes here and it is called dividend. The number that we are dividing up. We write this dividend under this horizontal line of division symbol. The area which is outside of curved line of this dividend symbol is also important, and we write there divisor. When we divide this dividend by divisor, then we write our answer here, and that is called quotient. This quotient means the answer tells us how many we will end up with in each group. So we write this given equation in this format. Here I write 8, which is our dividend. I write 2 here, which is our divisor. How many group of 2 I need? So the total amount will be 8. 2 times 4 equals 8. So I write here 4, and when you multiply these 2 and 4 means 2 times 4 equals, it comes as 8. Now subtract this 8 and we get 0 as leftover, or the leftover is also called remainder. That means 8 divided by 2 comes as 4. Let's have another example. Now it will be little bit tricky, so we will see how to solve that. (13) divided by 4. So I write this example in this format. So 13 divided by 4. 13 is not multiple of 4, means we can't divide 13 in equal group of 4. If you know the multiplication table of 4, I write here 4 times 1 equals 4, 4 times 2 equals 8, 4 times 3 equals 12, and 4 times 4 equals 16. When dividend is not multiple of divisor, that time we have to choose the less number than dividend. Means here dividend is 13, so less than 13 there are 4, 8 and 12, these 3 numbers are there, but which is more near to 13? So 12. 12 is more near to 13 as compared to 4 and 8, so we choose this one. 4 times 3 equals 12. I write here 3, means 4 times 3 equals 12. Now subtract this 12 from 13 and we get 1. And one important thing, that when dividend is not multiple of divisor, that time there will be remainder, and that remainder should be less than divisor. It should not be bigger than divisor or equal to divisor. So 13 divided by 4 comes as 3 with remainder of 1. We can go through one more. 37 divided by 5. Rewrite this example in this format. So 37 here and I write 5 here. 37 is not multiple of 5, so we have to choose the less number than 37 and it should be near to 37. So 5 times 7 equals 35. So 35, this number is near to 37 and it is smaller than 37. So I write here 7. So 5 times 7 is 35. Now subtract and we get 2 as remainder. That's why when we divide 37 by 5, then we get answer 7 with remainder of 2. Let's have one more example. 65 divided by 7. So rewrite this one example in this format. So 65 divided by 7. 7 times 9 equals 63 and 7 times 10 equals 70. So 63 is less than 65 and it is more near, that's why we write here 9. So 7 times 9 equals 63. Now subtract this one and we get 2. So 65 divided by 7 comes as 9 with remainder of 2. I hope guys this video will be helpful for you while learning basic division. So please like this video and share to your friends, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it. Don't forget, and see you in next video. Bye bye.